So guys, this is Vlogmas 2, and today is December the let I see. Today is December the 7th, and I don't know when I will be uploading this video because I need more viewers on the last video that I posted, which is Vlogmas 1, a day with me on a Sunday. So guys, when I have more viewers on that video, I'll be posting this one, which is my first time eating lobster. So guys, like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And thank you for all the support that I have gotten on IG, TikTok, Snapchat, and all those things. You see me? So guys, I go show you what going in the kitchen, and after that, I show you the last process when me I eat it and see how my mother go on. You see me? Yeah.